The initial communication between certain police officers and certain members of the minorities, particularly young men, tend to escalate. Verbally first, and then unfortunately also maybe physically. So police use force and stuff. So one thing that police can learn is that the education and the training of those street cops who actually go there can be improved.
The Austrian police could learn from out of our project is, I think, in the first step they get an idea also what it means to be a foreigner, to be an African person living in Austria. So I think it's something about knowledge they learn, or that they try to step into the shoes of another person.
We have to change the mentality of the inhabitants. We have to talk about this project. We have to talk about this very bad situation we have in Hungary. And this is not a criminal case. This is not a criminal problem. This is a social problem, and the state has to solve this problem.
The biggest challenge also in our project will be to use our results, use the material we are going to develop, not only put it somewhere in a corner, but really insert it somewhere in education for officers.
We need to get those messages to the individual policeman who's working on the streets, who's working and who's addressing minorities.
Therefore, we are at the German Police University in the right position to influence the new police leaders.
And they go to the police station. They have to tell the colleagues that are working for the police for a long time that you have to change your mind. You have to change your mentality, because I have heard at the university this COREPOL or other project, European project, and they are really useful.
The responsibility for opening up the contact in a good and respectful way is more on the police side than I think on the citizen side.